udah presentasinya gimana? What about the percentage of success when you teach spoken language in your class?
Belum
Udah
di
pernah
riset
coba
sih,
nih?
Pak Hildes.
Kan sudah pernah dievaluasi ya, kan belajar ngadu sama ini. So far you have given an evaluation to the students. Presentasinya gimana dengan metode yang sudah pernah dicoba gitu? Apa semuanya ada perubahan gitu?
Ya lumayan anak SD lah.
Ada 50% atau 25%? Ada nggak cuma 25% aja yang bisa gitu? Berarti kan di situ kan ada persoalan gitu kan ya dari metode kita gitu
Kalau
kan?
di kelas itu 75% hampir.
Yang bisa nyambung. Oh. Jadi setiap every year gitu, every class, ada nggak kelas yang progresnya jauh lebih bagus? Cuman 25 selebihnya mungkin sampai 70% can speak English well. I mean, at least can use English lah, use English in their class. Jadi simple English dengan bahasa-bahasa sederhana tadi kayak introduction, say hello. Jadi kalau Mr. Five say something, dia responsnya sama gitu, bisa merespon. Ada nggak sebagian besar dari kelasnya 4 ya? 4 to 6 ya? Beda ya?
Baru kelas 4 aja, Pak
Kelas
Hildes.
4. Oh. Nggak sebelumnya kan? Udah pernah ngajar? Belum pernah?
Enggak, ini apa? PLBJ diaplikasikan pakai bahasa Inggris.
Berarti selama ini ngajarin nggak bahasa Inggris dong sebelumnya kalau baru kelas 4?
Iya betul. Makanya saya tidak selancar Pak Hildes karena saya jarang menggunakannya, Pak.
Oke, itu aja.
Ya.
Mr. Five ya. Thanks ya.
Sama-sama Pak. Makasih.
I'm Rusmi. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Hildes. Next, Mrs. Desmi. Next, Mrs. Desmi. After Mrs. Desmi, maybe Mrs. Pepi, ya? Yeah, Miss Pepi. Yeah, okay. Yeah, it's time your Miss Desmi.
Thank you, Mrs. Smith.
I'm sorry, my school has so very noisy. Hello, Miss Desmi. Miss Desmi, hello.
Yeah, I don't maybe I don't have any question. Yeah.
Hello, Miss Desmi. That's enough.
I don't have any question.
Okay, thank you very much. Another participant, Miss Endang. Oh, sorry. Miss Pepi, yeah, Miss Pepi. Wait after Miss Pepi, yeah, Miss Endang. Miss Pepi, please.
Thank you, Miss. Well, first of all, I would like to say congratulations, sir, for accomplishing this task.
Yeah, complete.
All of us
Lengkap ya.
And knowing that you are not even teaching the English subject at your school, I could see that must be hard work to do. But you have been through it. It's very good. And I see that there's a lot of progress from the previous set of document to this one. I think this one is more comprehensive, even though I'm not really sure about each component of the learning module, because it's curriculum, it's adopting curriculum Merdeka, right? And then I'm going to ask you question, sir, about this, what do you call it, Kurikulum Merdeka in elementary school. So what do you think is the most challenging part of implementing the curriculum in elementary school, with elementary school students, sir?
Tantangannya ya karena baru aja, Miss Feby ya. Saya juga baru sekali pengarahan kurikulum Merdeka, jadi belum terlalu memahami kurikulum Merdeka, jadi masih tahap belajar, Miss. Jadi buat ke muridnya ya saya masih belajar coba-coba juga.
So you teach PLKJ only, yes, sir?
No, I'm guru kelas.
Oh, guru kelas, I see. Guru kelas, okay. But your school is now adopting freedom to curriculum, kurikulum Merdeka.
Yes.
Oh, okay. So you have English subject then?
Baru tahun ini.
Oh, okay. But the English subject teacher is not you, or you are also the English subject?
Ya, saya.
Teacher, I mean.
Saya.
Oh, you're also teaching English subject this year? Is that correct, sir?
Yes.
Oh, this will be like the first time after a while, ya, sir, ya?
Yes.
Okay. I don't know. I just feel you. I mean, like the hard work that you have to be in that kind of situations, which force you to change a lot of things. And about this learning module, I think, yeah, I agree with Miss April, sir. Probably you can add some element of high tech so that the students can get more attractive. But I really like the puppets. Yeah, when you mentioned that you're going to use puppets, I think it's gonna be a great show. Or maybe you can add the augmented reality element too in your learning activities. I think that's all from me, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Miss Feby.
Oh, yeah. Thank you very much, Miss Feby. One participant, please. Miss Endang.
Okay. Wait a second, Miss Rusmi, Miss Endang.
Yes, sir.
Okay, before we are going to get more feedback from the rest of the participants, let's give a round of applause for Mr. 5 February, everyone.
Okay, yeah. The one and only.
Yeah, you gotta keep on your motivation, sir. Kenapa kok tadi menjawabnya kok sudah lemes-lemes seperti itu ya? Masih semangat kan ya?
Iya, keep spirit, keep spirit.
Ini sebentar lagi udah mau upacara bendera kok, ini seperti jam makan siang masih lama ya.
Lombanya kalah, Pak. Sosial.
Nggak bisa ikut lomba.
Because the participant don't follow this celebration of Independence Day, maybe.
Oke, tetap semangat, Mr. February ya. Come on, Miss Enda.
Never give up. Ya, agak lemes-lemes nih, kurang piknik ya.
Betul.
Memrusnya tahu aja.
Iya, jadi after PPG nanti kan ada yang masuk ke rekening baru piknik, Pak. Tenang. Be happy.
Lapar, ma'am.
Miss Endang, it's time yours.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Mr. 5, good job.
Thank you, Miss Endang.
Ya, pokoknya kita harus semangat ya. Kita sama-sama semangat. Yang tahu ini nggak mudah ya kan. We are today as a student di sini. Jadi kita sama-sama memang lebih harus banyak belajar. Dan kita kan setiap hari udah dikasih materi-materi ya kan. Enang pikir sesuatu yang baru ini juga modul ajar ini juga sesuatu yang baru buat Enang. Tapi paling enggak kita udah tahu mulai dari rentetan-rentetannya kita kayaknya udah pernah tahu lah sebelum-sebelumnya. Ini kan komponen RPP gitu kan. Jadi untuk model pembelajaran rasanya memang harus kita ini kan. Kalau selama ini mungkin kita sama Mr. Five, kita sama-sama belajar tuh ngajarin anak tuh apa ya, yang penting mereka dapat entah pakai metode apa, model apa ala-ala kita gitu ya kan. Tapi kali ini rasanya nanti ketika kita udah selesai PPG, kita jadi punya reference. Oh, ternyata kalau ngajarnya sesuai model, kita jadi lebih mudah gitu ya kan Mr. Five. Nanti kita ini ya sharing-sharing lagi. Kalau di sini kan kalau misalnya baru presentasi gini rasanya juga nggak mungkin untuk belajar itu waktunya juga nggak bisa maksimal gitu. Tapi nanti kalau misalnya habis ini kita bisa belajar sama-sama lagi. Jadi model pembelajaran kayak yang sekarang kita harus pilih ini kan ada PBL, ada PGBL, dan itu emang ada fase-fasenya. Mr. Five, Enang juga baru belajar. Dari fase-fasenya tuh kita jadi ngerti, oh ternyata ketika fase ini anak harus gini, gurunya harus gini gitu. Jadi kita nggak sembrono gitu, nggak antah berantah ngerjain. Selama kita stay di kelas itu kita terarah gitu. Jadi lesson plan itu ya itulah, selama ini kita memang mungkin males ribet gitu kan, jadi buat sesuka hati aja. Tapi alhamdulillah kita terpanggil PPG, Mr. Sofyan pernah bilang kita pilihan, ya ini berarti kita pilihan untuk lebih banyak belajar. Renang juga untuk AR, VR, AI itu Enang memang benar-benar baru banget di sini, baru tahu ini, dan Enang pelan-pelan pelajari. Dan kalau Enang jujur, kalau misalnya lewat sini, lewat selama presentasi, selama belajar diskusi di Zoom, Enang kurang ngerti. Tapi itu tadi habis nge-Zoom, Enang cari tahu lagi, misalnya dari Miss Kartika tadi malam tuh lama banget telepon-teleponan nanyain tentang yang AR, VR, dan itu memang kadang kita kalau mau belajar Enang pengen tuh belajar kayak Miss Kartika, mungkin cari-cari di Google paham. Tapi kalau Enang harus dijelasin sama teman sejawat gitu. Nah mungkin nanti Mr. Five kita bisa sharing-sharing gitu. Ya, Enang juga masih sangat banyak kekurangan lah kalau untuk perangkat ajar gitu. Ya, Mem Rusmi gitu aja. Thank you, Mem Rusmi.
Thank you, Miss Endang.
Thank you very much, Miss Endang.
Ya, Mem Rusmi. Semangat, Mr. Five.
Ya, semangat. It was a bit difficult ya to Mr. Febri because previously in the local content was about Betawi culture ya before that, and then from independent curriculum ya di kurikulum Merdeka ini benar-benar sangat berubah, dan penempatan gurunya juga baru ya Bapak Ibu ya kalau di SD ya. This is sebuah new teacher karena mereka mungkin setelah harus move to junior high school atau senior high school, kembali lagi ke sekolahnya, dan melalui fase-fase saya yakin Mr. Febri pasti bisa ya. I think
harus bisa.
Ya, harus bisa. Don't be hesitate about this maybe like module ya, learning module etc. We have about support you Mr. Febri.
Thank you, Ma'am.
Yeah, we support you. Thank you very much. Mr. Sofyan, maybe it's time yours or one participant.
Let's try to hear some voice first. Yeah. Who's from this group that never talk at all? Come on, maybe we can ask Miss Vidya Nasari, I guess.
Miss Ila, but Miss Ila not here. Miss Ila and Miss
Indri still in hospital. Yeah. What about Miss Dwidia Nasari? Yeah. Miss Dwidia Nasari.
Udah Mister tadi.
Okay.
Miss Dwi has finished to give an suggestion and ask a question from Mr. Preppy.
What happened with Miss Hila, Mr. B?
I don't know about Miss Hila.
The jury
committee in
committee.
For the Independence Day.
Okay, thank you.
The judges of Independence Day. Okay. Maybe the school when appoint another judges. Yes, Mr. Sofyan.
Okay, it will be my turn then. Okay, Mr. 5 February. Now let's try to have a look at your learning module. Yeah, let's go with the first page. Okay, I guess on your previous first set of document, on the previous, you have a simple kind of learning module, I guess, on the first action plan. And then for this one, here your focus, okay, greeting, introduction, asking for, okay, okay, next, okay. Okay, you were mentioning acuan alur tujuan pembelajaran ATP. So which one is your ATP document? Dokumen ATP-nya yang mana, Mr. 5 February?
Ada di
belakang.
File.
Oh,
Bukan,
yaudah.
belum saya tampilin di sana.
Oh, dari tadi belum ditampilkan semuanya? Oke, semuanya. Tadi belum ada yang menanyakan?
Mem Rusmi udah nanyain tadi. Harusnya tadi ditampilin di sini, kalau enggak ntar PP-nya bisa dibuang. Tuh, Mem Rusmi tadi bilang.
Oke, thank you. Next, please. Profil belajar Pancasila.
Bukan dibuang Pak Febri, nanti kalau nanti kalau supervisi ya, bisa ya sorry dicoret, disilang, tadi saya lakukan.
Oke, next. Okay, toolkit, facilities, okay, handmade. Okay, what kind of handmade puppet that you are going to use, Mr. 5 February?
Jadi kayak dari kertas gitu, terus ditempelin stick es krim, jadi dia kayak main wayang gitu.
Oh, and then apa? Bentuk apa tuh? What form? Dalam bentuk apa tuh?
Bentuk kartun.
Kartun
teddy bear.
Sound the ship, sir.
Oh, okay, sound the ship. Okay. And then the student consists of regular or typical. Okay, next, please. And then suddenly to the reference here. Next, please. Okay, what is this? The preparation.
Iya, langkah-langkah, tapi saya naruhnya preparation.
Oke. Oke, next. Jadi saya nggak perlu perbaiki, nanti diperbaiki sendiri saja ya, Mr. 5 ya. Oke, sudah tahu ini ya. Oke, next, silakan. Oke. Oke, next. Oke, next. Oke. Ini tapi kok kayak gini ya, it is your own intention, sengaja ini apa bikin ininya kayak gini nih, Mr. 5. There are 5 kids, there are 5 teachers, gitu semua yang sengaja 5 gitu sesuai dengan namanya Mr. 5 kah?
Di setting, sir.
Oh, setting. Okay, next, come on. Next, okay. Okay, next. Okay. Ada presentation itu ya. Presentation di sini gimana maksudnya, mau presentasi apa?
Anak-anak disuruh ngucapin kalimat sederhana yang tentang perkenalan tadi, sir.
Okay, so they are going to come in front of the class and then trying to
to make simple conversation.
Okay. So it is a presentation or conversation?
Presentation conversation.
Presentation conversation. Okay, that was making a dialogue, huh? And it's not presentation. Next. Terus silakan. Oke. Oke. Terus. Next. Next. Come on, next. Okay. Next. Next. Next, please. Terus lanjut saja, lanjut ya. Next. Lampiran. Appendix. Next. Next. Okay. Oke, next. Sampai paling bawah, sampai terakhir coba. Terus di scroll sampai terakhir. Oke, student worksheet-nya sudah ada. Oke. Next. Oke, reflections. Oke. Assessment. Oke. Okay, scoring rubric. Okay, that's okay. Stop sharing the screen, please, Mr. February. Okay, thank you very much for sharing your learning module with us, Mr. February. And then I guess you already got many kind of feedback, many kind of suggestion from the rest of your friends, yeah. And then I'm not gonna add it more, yeah, because too many things that you have to repass based on all of these suggestions from your friend. Yeah? But one thing that you have to really consider, Mr. February, in creating a learning module here, you can stick with our previous example. Yeah? Just try to imitate that one. Try to modify that one. Okay, I already shared it when we had our first or our second meeting, Mr. Hildas. I already shared the example.
Second
meeting, yeah. In our second meeting, I shared the file. Have you got the file with you, Mr. February? No.
Belum,
no?
Sir. Belum. Kemarin kan waktu ditanya saya K13 tuh. Makanya saya nggak dikasih kurikulum merdeka.
I share it to all of you guys, to the chat folks. Yeah, to the chat box.
Di chat ya? Saya nggak lihat. Yeah.
Okay, after this, okay, after this one, Mr. B or Mr. Hildes or Miss Endang, you may share the file, yeah, for Mr. February. Okay.
Yeah, I will share. I'll share to him.
And then you may try to modify, try to imitate that one. Okay, Mr. February, and then I do believe that you can do a better kind of learning model. Okay, and then you have to believe on yourself. Okay, Mr. February, and then keep on your spirit, keep on your motivation. One more time, let's give a round of applause for Mr. February, everyone. Yeah. Okay, and I guess that's all from me, Miss Rusni. Go back to you, please.
Okay, thank you very much, Mr. Sofyan. Maybe we ask from another participant, Miss Herlina.
I guess for the presentation, do we need one more or that's enough? One more. One more.
I will ask. Yes, I will ask one participant, but maybe if if they maybe if they are hello.
Okay, Miss Rusmi.
Yeah, Miss Herlina, hello. No response, no response back. Miss Jasmine. How about your lesson plan, Miss Jasmine? You will present your lesson plan, or maybe from another participant, or from me, from Mr. Soprian will to know about your lesson plan.
Learn process, ma'am.
Still process. Mr. Soprian, I think that will be enough for today. Because Miss Jasmine and yeah, Mr. Hildes, hello.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Can I see my voice?
Yeah, I hear your voice.
Okay.
I will ask about one more participant. Are you ready, Mr. Hildes? Or maybe in process? Just still in process, like Mrs. Jasmine?
Actually, I have my lesson plan, but it's still far from good. But I will dare to show it. I made it last night. I think just a few. Let me show. Mana ya? Bentar. Just a moment.
Hello, Mr. Hildes. You will
Yeah.
present it. Okay, yeah.
Just a moment.
Okay,
I think
sign
I have
yours.
still a problem to. I have to share this. Is it maybe? Can you see my worksheet?
Yes, I see.
Can I see my worksheet?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I
Okay.
see. I see what
Okay.
your lesson plan.
This is my simple lesson plan. I tell that like this because I just made it last night. Like Mr. Sofyan tell, maybe I couldn't sleep well. Just look like a little joke from my friend. You stay all at night without praying to your God, but you are busy with your work. Yeah, like that. So I'm still not sure with my lesson plan actually, because as I thought a few days ago, maybe this is the first time I'm trying to design my lesson plans. The last time I just know my lesson plan is good from a copy of someone of our friends before. No correction, no what they sell is not good, it's bad, it's good, or something else like that. Okay. Personal letter is the material when I teach this for the second class. I mean class 11. So what about meeting? I need 3 times, I mean 3 days for teaching this material. And this is the basic competence 3.17. And this is also the indicator. Yeah, indicator. So what else? We have also the next basic competence. The first, membedakan fungsi sosial struktur teks, bla bla bla. But the next, menyusun teks khusus dalam bentuk surat pribadi. And the indicator, we have 3 indicators from the first basic competence, and I have 2 indicators for the second basic competence. We say that this is cognitive. This one is psikomotorik. Ya, keterampilan, pengetahuan, keterampilan. So the next, the cognitive, also I said that pengetahuan, yeah, maybe I have to, sorry. That's a problem with my, yeah, okay, pengetahuan ya. We said that in English, cognitive or pengetahuan, this one is keterampilan. It's a misunderstanding. I have to change with the Indonesian name.
So the term here is using knowledge, or is it using cognitive, or what is it that you try to provide?
Yeah, this is the objective. The objective. We say in Indonesia, we said tujuan pembelajaran, like the objective learning. Okay, let's see number 1 from pengetahuan or cognitive. By the end of the class, or after studying the personal letters, students are able to determine the parts of personal letters. The second, by the end of the class, after studying the personal letters, students are able to analyze the language function of personal letter. So the last, students are able to conclude the content of the letter. So what about the next, keterampilan, or we say psikomotorik? By the end of the class, after studying personal letters, students are able to organize random sentence, such as jumbled sentences, into personal letters paragraph or into personal letter. So the next, students are able to compose the text of personal letters. It means that students are able to write personal letters correctly. I think that's for the objective. So the next, the learning materials. Yeah, I have tried from many various resource personal letters from internet, but I'm so sorry I don't put the resource. I think, yeah, the address from this resource. I have 3. I think 3. 3 various personal letters. The first and the third, and the next we have. I also give them the concept of writing a personal letters, such as formal letter, types of letters, informal letters, and also the terms social function of personal letters. The next part of personal letters, of course, the students must know part of personal letters too before they design or they create or write their personal letters. We have some explanation, date, address, salutation and name, introduction, body, closing.
Sorry, Mr. Hildas.
Yeah.
Can anyone see what Mr. Hildas wrote over there, everyone?
Is it too small, sir?
Miss Enna, can you read it, Miss Enna? Huh?
Is it too small?
Yeah, I can't even see it. What was that?
It's a part of letters, sir.
Okay.
Yeah, I copied this.
Zoom, di zoom lagi Pak, itu kan zoomnya 100, baru 100 mungkin bisa ditambah.
Just a moment.
Okay, proceed, Mr. Hildas, proceed.
Oh no, what's the problem?
Dot kanan itu ada plus minus Pak. Bapak klik plus itu supaya itu perbesar tampilannya.
This one?
Iya.
Is it too small? Oh, balik lagi.
Ya, tambah.
Yeah.
Tambahkan sedikit-sedikit.
Too
Nanti
large.
digeser. Ya. That's enough.
Okay. This is the part of letters or body of letters for personal letters. Yeah, date, address, salutation, and name introduction, body closure, complementary clause, signature, and postscripts if we have to write it. Okay, the next, what else? There's also procedural, linguistic features, yeah, sentence structures, yeah, and the style, of course. And the next, my learning method, I use scientific learning, the approach and strategy, observing, questioning, associating, communicating, experimenting, and the method, of course, problem-based learning. So, learning steps or langkah-langkah pembelajaran. The first meeting, I just have two objective determining the parts of personal letters. It means that the students must be able to know the parts of personal letters before they are writing their own personal letters. The next, analyzing the language function of the personal letters. It's sometimes it's almost the same, but language function is more than personal letters. The meaning, and also some what else? Sentence structures, or some sentences will support personal letters. The second meeting or second session, I give the one concluding the content of the letters. It means that the students will answer some questions about the letters, and also at the end of the question, they will also give the concluding remark of the content of letters. Yeah, the content of the letter. It means that. So the next, third meeting, we have two here, organizing jumbled sentences into personal letters paragraph. I give them such a jumbled sentences or random sentences, and then they will build up, they will design to be their own personal letters correctly. The next, composing text of personal letters. It means that they are able to write their own personal letters. I mean, they design their own personal letters. I think this is just the third meeting. So this is the activities. Ya, guru memberi salam, guru membuka pelajaran, ya. Yeah, as usual, we offer the students to lead the pray. Yeah, to lead the pray. But in my schools, there is another activity like reading Quran. Reading Quran, it looks like ice breaking. Yeah, because after reading Quran, the teacher will give a simple message what they have read from Quran, when they have read from Quran. So this is sometimes like ice breaking. It means that we try to remind of the students, of the good thing as students, as human beings, sometimes like that. The next, teacher will open the learning, the process of learning, and yeah, say greetings, sometimes like that. How are you? Are you okay? Yeah, how about your family? Sometimes like that. And the next, also, teacher have to ask them. Yeah, I think we have this one. if especially for the first day at school for on Monday, ya. Kalau hari Senin itu biasa kita menanyakan kondisi liburan mereka hari Sabtu minggu yang lalu. So the next what else? Guru menjelaskan tujuan pembelajaran question letter. Okay, as usual, I'd like to give them our objective. Yeah. So the next, ini the prior activity. This one using building blocks, flashcard. Building blocks of flashcard. Sometimes I'd like to the students must be able to make a good paragraph, yeah, by using a flashcard. But actually, building blocks and flashcard, we use them based on the situation. Not all the students, not all class we use flashcard. Okay, the next, what else? Guru dapat memberikan menggunakan informasi, building block, blah blah blah, like this, yeah. Yeah, and the last is the closing. Yeah, the students, the teacher will review. We would like to review our materials based on the whole material we have discussed with the students, and reflection, of course, and the task. Yeah, this is for the first meeting, and the second meeting will be like the first. Yeah, pembiasaan. Yeah, yeah, this one. This is the second meeting actually. The third, yeah, and the third meeting is almost the same, but it's a bit different. We have I try to give something different, like phrase, sentence building. Yeah, it almost it's such a game, I think. Yeah, it's such a game for building a sentence or building words, like the old games, Scrabble, yeah, some things like that. Ini materi intinya, kegiatan intinya, ya. So this is the closing, and the last one, learning media, simple learning media for me. Yeah, just like this. Yeah, it's letters. And also the next LKPD, our worksheet. This one, the students should complete part of personal letters. I think it's very simple for the students. Yeah. The next, writing a jumble sentences. Yeah, I ask the students to create their sentences into personal letters. The next, we also ask students to compose personal letters to their friend. They create their own letters. And this is the rubric. And something else. Okay, formative test. I think that's all I have done last night. I'm so sorry if my lesson plan is not the complete one, is not the best one. This all I have done, and I think it's better than before because I've just got the copy of lesson plan, but how hard to try our own design. Yeah, I realized that it's not easy to make our own design, our own lesson plan by myself. I think that's enough, Mr. Sofyan and Mem Rusmi. And of course, I need a suggestion, comment, what is the best thing I have to do to step the next, to make it better for my lesson plan. Yeah, like this. That's all.
Yeah, thank you very much, Mr. Hildes. Give applause to Mr. Hildes, Bapak Ibu.
Yeah.
So very tired, I think.
I have done many things, not only this one, because I'm still an English teacher at school, and do sometimes I cannot say this. Yeah, that's why.
I think this is also very good, Mr. Hildes. Thank you. Why you just about tadi ada yang ketukar ya?
Yeah.
Mr. Hildes is better about objectives, the objectives ya. Jadi tujuan pembelajaran dulu, baru masuk ke indikator ya.
Ini tujuan.
Mr. Hildes ya. Yang objek ya tujuan pembelajaran, tapi tujuan pembelajaran N ya. And after that scroll up, down, scroll down. Yang ke bawah Pak sebelum tujuan pembelajaran.
Ini.
Ya. Basic competence ya. Ini basic competence.
Kompetensi dasarnya.
Kompetensi dasar dan indikator ya. Tapi itu lebih ya kompetensi indikator. I think the first is basic competence dulu ya. Sorry, objektif dulu ya Pak ya. Tujuan pembelajaran baru ke basic competence ya. Kalau itu kan lebih umum, tujuan pembelajaran lebih umum.
Yang 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4 ya Mem ya. Saya nggak
tujuan pembelajaran nanti kalau tidak dipakai Pak Hildes langsung ke tujuan pembelajaran. Tujuan pembelajaran dulu A, baru yang B masuk basic competence.
Oh gitu.
Iya, karena kan ini umum dulu ya Pak ya. Tujuan pembelajaran kan yang umum dulu ya Bapak Ibu ya, ke umum ke baru
tujuan
kemudian
pembelajaran bukannya setelah ini Mem, lihat basic kompeten baru kita tentukan tujuannya apa. Bukannya begitu ya?
It's better about tujuan pembelajaran, basic kompeten baru kemudian what the student do. Oh yeah, okay. Yeah, that's right. By the end of the class after studying ya, setelah selesai pembelajaran siswa bisa
menentukan, misalnya mengetahui ya.
Determine part bagian, maksudnya bisa menentukan bagian-bagigian dari soal ini ya, dari surat pribadi ya, personal letter ya. Oke. Personal letter, analyze ya, menganalisis fungsi sosial ya, fungsi sosial dari kebahasaan surat pribadi. Language function. Masuk ke mana Pak ini? Language function-nya ke struktur teks ya ini.
Struktur ya, structure.
Ya, struktur. Ya, strukturnya ya. Kemudian student are able to conclude the content of the letter. Content. Isi surat ya ini maksudnya ya Pak ya. Isi surat pribadi ya. Oke, thank you Mr. Hildes. Maybe from student activity Pak. Ya.
Oh, oke.
Ya, ke bawah.
This material.
Ya, this material ya. That's related about personal letters. Ya, thank you. And then concept ya, this concept ya, oke. Next Pak, next part of personal letter ya, tetap ya Bapak Ibu ya, harus kita beritahukan ini personal letter, and then procedural. Next, Mr. Hildes, from the procedural. Learning method, scientific learning, observing, questioning, associate, and communicating, experimenting. This is just about problem apa Pak tadi Pak? Problem PBL ya? Problem based learning ya, oke. and then we focus on determining the part of the personal letter. Ini I think Mr. Hildes make a simple one of learning step ya. Disingkat ya ini ya. Langsung ke pokok bahasannya ya. Determine ya, next. Simple is okay ya. Thank you. Salam tegur sapa. Oke, kegiatan inti 60 ya minimal Bapak Ibu ya. 60 16 menit menyapa kelas. Oke. Next Mr. Hildes. Sorry. Scroll up on main activity di kegiatan inti, Pak. Guru main activity, scroll up main activity ya.
Oh, this one
Scroll up. Ke atas lagi, Pak. Kegiatan inti.
Yeah, this one.
Ya, oke. Guru memulai pelajaran. Minta siswa membaca surat ya, oke. This is building knowledge ya. Building block or building knowledge, and then building blocknya menggunakan informasi, oke. Yang diberikan pada bagian building block untuk mengajar hal terkait penulisan surat pribadi ya, personal letter, oke. And then after that explaining about the form. Setelah menjelaskan tadi Pak, setelah menjelaskan tentang format surat pribadi, guru menunjukkan contoh yang diberikan pada buku siswa. Ya. Maybe find about another resources ya Bapak Mr. Hildes, bisa ditayangkan mungkin ya, nanti ditayangkan atau mungkin memberikan dalam bentuk LKPD ya, surat pribadi, contoh-contoh surat pribadi dan sebagainya. Find from another resources. And then on the second section ya, pertemuan kedua, guru memulai pelajaran dengan mengajukan sebuah pertanyaan yang dapat memantik ya, menjadi pemantik global ya. Oke. Pendahuluan waktu. Okay, let's stop, Mr. Hildes. Guru membuka pelajaran dengan apa tadi? Main activity, Pak.
Oh, this one, inti.
Ya inti, kegiatan inti. Memberi salam masih masuk introduction ya, persepsi. Di bagian ini siswa akan berdiskusi secara aktif satu sama lain mengenai isi personal letter. I think this is about my group, Mr. Hildes.
Ya.
Ya, nah, tadi nih tambahkan diskusinya di dalam grup ya. Maybe 4 or 5 students to make about this group and make discussion, and then they present about their result of their discussion. Ya, like this ya. Membuat diskusi, hasil diskusi dipresentasikan di depan kelas ya. Tadi bersama kelompoknya ya. Ya agar kita juga bisa mengecek pemahaman siswa Bapak Ibu apakah mereka sudah memahami atau belum ya, dari bagian-bagian surat tersebut. Ya, next learning media, Mr. Hildes. I want to see about learning media.
Oh, this is apa?
Ya, oke. Learning media. Ya, oke. Personal letter. Ini siswa menyusun Pak, menyusun kata kalimat aja. Student to rearrange jumble sentences in a good paragraph. Yang pertama Pak, yang pertama tadi perintahnya siswa menyusun kalimat menjadi paragraf yang bagus.
Iya.
Sorry. Kan itu tanda-tanda panah, maksudnya apa itu Pak? Nah ya.
Ini menentukan maknanya seperti yang di atas tadi.
Oh, menentukan makna.
Pilih ya, kalau kalimat ini berarti masuknya personal letter. Sorry, it's very noisy in our room.
Ya,
in my room.
It's okay. Sama, di saya juga Pak, karena sedang bertanding, sedang tarik tambang, jadi sangat. Ya, oke, thank you, Mr. Hildes. Peta konsepnya, oke, discussing, constructing. Untuk discussingnya, generic structure, social function, dan language feature. Analyzing, definition, and type letter, ya oke. It's okay, Mr. Hildes. This is about the sample of personal letter ya, sampel-sampel personal letter. And the student worksheet, what the student must do? Is it reading, speaking, or maybe writing a letter?
Yeah. Complete.
Oh, complete.
The part of speech.
Complete
Part of
speech, yeah.
personal letters.
Okay, yeah.
Very
Okay.
simple, Ma'am Rosmi.
Ya, just simple. Memang harus simple ya Bapak Ibu ya. Simple tapi mereka mengetahui. Thank you for
And
being
this
such
one,
a
jumble
critic.
sentence.
Jumble sentence. I think that is about jumble paragraph, not jumble sentence.
Yeah,
It
jumble
is
sentence.
jumble
I mean,
paragraph.
we create a sentence into personal letters.
Okay. Yeah.
Oh yeah, jumble paragraph.
Yeah, it is about jumble paragraph, not jumble sentence, sir. Because memang ada just maybe about opening, main and closing di sini ya. Ada pembukaannya ya. Dear Mrs. Rita Suherman SPD. That's very simple. Thank you, Mr. Hildes. That's enough. I think that's enough, Mr. Hildes. Thank you very much. Give applause to Mr. Hildes. Give applause, Bapak Ibu. Yeah, I want to know from Miss Dwi. Miss Dwi. Yeah, Miss Dwi Diana Sari, SPD. Hello, Miss Dwi. It's time yours.
Ma'am.
Yeah.
Ya. Mr. Hildes.
Ya.
Mr. Hildes pakainya kan ini ya, apa namanya, PBL ya?
Iya.
Di kegiatan kayak pendahuluan inti dan itu kan ada biasanya kalau saintifik itu kan ada apa ya, kayak fase-fasenya itu loh ya. Ya Mr. Hildes. Mr. Hildes. Dengar?
Sorry, because it's very noisy.
Oke. Di kegiatan pendahuluan kegiatan inti kan Mr. Hildes kan pakai pendekatannya saintifik ya. Saya belum lihat kayak fase-fasenya itu loh, kayak bisa mengamati, bisa critical thinking-nya.
Iya.
Itu saya belum tahu di mana-mananya bagian-bagiannya gitu.
Saintifiknya pakai medianya gitu ya?
Di kegiatan.
Di kegiatannya?
Iya, Mister di kegiatan.
Di kegiatannya.
Kegiatan mengamati kayak gitu, seperti itu. Fase-fase dalam saintifiknya gitu.
Iya, thank you. Ya.
Terus di kegiatan intinya itu saya kurang paham yang itu yang apa building block flashcard itu maksudnya apa?
Gini ya.
Iya, saya nggak kurang paham itu.
Jadi kalau ya in bahasa, jadi kita buat potongan-potongan biasanya ya, potongan paragraf.
Ini
dari bagian dari surat.
Ini masuk ke ini media ya?
Media.
Betul, medianya itu bentuknya itu kayak potongan kertas saja.
Bisa seperti itu. Bisa kalau kita buat PowerPoint juga kan bisa ya. Kalau ini ya, kita bikin random ya. Kalau bisa sih emang seperti itu bang. Biasanya variasinya kan seperti itu. Kalau nggak potongan-potongan kertas atau building blocks gitu ya. Karena memang kalau surat ini simple sekali sih surat ini ya.
Untuk surat ya, letter.
Letters.
Jadi medianya untuk tipeknya itu Mr. Hildes itu pakainya untuk apa? Untuk berhubungan dengan tipeknya.
Ya, kan ini kan dengan alat seperti ini ya, media ya. Paling ya ini kan mengajarkan anak untuk mengetahui dulu bagian-bagian awal dari surat itu kan. Intinya kan kita awalnya seperti itu ya. Kita ajarkan bagaimana mereka tahu bagian-bagian surat kan gitu. Ya ini sebenarnya hanya salah satu cara sih, salah satu cara aja yang saya juga ada kalanya saya tanya sama anak-anak kalau memang sudah nggak masalah biasanya nggak saya tampilkan kecuali anak-anak yang bermasalah di kelas mana yang agak sulit biasanya depend on the condition gitu ya. Paling seperti itu biasanya.
Oke, ya sumber belajarnya Mr. Hildes.
Iya nih tadi saya sorry I don't put.
Saya belum melihat sumber belajarnya. Itu dari mana dapatnya kayak.
Ya. Kalau buku paket kan standar ya SMK ya. It's very standar lah ya. Oke. Tapi kan sumber-sumber lain memang saya tadi malam nggak sempat ini. Ya gitu namanya juga SKS sistem malam.
Iya, paham.
Ya.
Ya udah gitu aja, Miss.
Thank you.
Ya itu aja, Mister. Thank you, Mister.
Ya, you're welcome.
Ma'am, sudah,
Okay,
ma'am.
thank you, Miss Dwi. Mr. Sofyan, I think one more participant. Or we? Hello? One more participant, sir. Hello. Oh yeah, from Miss Desmi. From Miss Desmi, please.
Thank you, Mr. Hildas.
Yeah.
I have question to you. If I'm not mistaken, you use PBL method. Is it right?
Yeah. Is it right?
Yeah, but maybe I don't. If I'm not mistaken, I don't find the syntax of PBL. Is it true or false?
Yeah. PBL. How to use PBL in the class? You mean?
I mean syntax, langkah-langkahnya.
Oh. This one. Oh yeah. Yeah. The step of PBL, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Sebenarnya ya, actually I use pada umumnya yang saya lakukan di sini, when I use the method, what is the method I use for teaching personal letter? I try to show the students to show some kinds like a part of letters, and then I ask some of them atau one by one every students in the class, and to know the part of letters, Biasanya kan seperti itu ya, saya tanyakan mereka bagian-bagian yang mereka ketahui tentang surat, kemudian maksudnya apa saja yang mereka ketahui tentang bagian-bagian surat. Seperti itu biasanya saya hanya seperti itu ya. Metode klasik saya seperti itu ya, karena ini sih surat sifatnya masih simple gitu ya. I cannot make such a show dan such a video, no ya. Ini yang materi yang dasar pembelajaran hanya simple saja seperti ini. Okay, thank you your input.
Thank you, Miss Desmi. That's enough. Miss Desmi, hello.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, thank you very much. Mr. Hildas, I think that's all.
Yeah. Thank you.
Mr. Sofyan, maybe will will ask to Mr. Sofyan before, yeah, Mr. Hildas. Mr. Sofyan, is it yours? It's time yours, sorry.
Okay, thank you very much, Mr. Hildas. We're gonna make it quick since your learning module here is for the vocational high school. Yeah, that's different, of course, with the common senior high school, and then also with the junior or even the primary level. Yeah. Okay, based on it is a learning module or it is a lesson plan that you created?
It's a lesson plan.
Okay, a lesson plan. Yeah. Okay. You're putting over there. It is 6 hours. Yeah. 6 hours.
6 hours.
Yeah, you're going to use. Yeah. So it will be better for you to make it like it is for 2 meeting only.
2 meeting.
Yeah, if it is 6 hours, so it's mean 2 hours per meeting. So it consists of 4 hours, and then you divide it into 2 meetings. Yeah, that will be better. Okay. Okay, Mr. Hildas, next,
yes.
Come on, scroll down, please. Okay, next. Okay, here the learning objective. To studying the personal. Okay, what kind of vocational high school that you teach in, Mr. Hildas?
Business and management, sir.
Okay,
business and management.
Business and management.
And there's also multimedia.
Okay, so it is our personal letter. Analyze. Okay. Next, please. Next. Okay, the learning material. Okay, wait a second. I'm gonna read the example of your learning materials. The example of the personal letters. I'm writing this letter with you. Okay, so you're gonna come in person. Okay. Okay. Again, next. Come on. The grandma. Okay. Okay, but based on the second kind of example that you took here, it seems like it is not a typical kind of Indonesian culture. Yeah, when the children or when the kids are trying to send a letter to grandma or grandpa. I don't know, maybe it is your culture, maybe Mr. Hildas, or you just took it from some random books or random article or website. Yeah, because to be honest, the use of letter, especially for the grandma thing, I guess irrelevant for today, I guess. Yeah, because today we're using, what is it? We're using phone call, texting, yeah. Okay, maybe you can make, what is it? The relevant one, the relevant kind of example. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, next, please. Scroll down. Next. Okay, look at this one also. When you try to give the example,
it's
okay,
it's the wrong sample. So
yeah, you gotta
apologize.
Yeah, you gotta look at the details, yeah, before you're going to put it in your set of document. Okay. Next, come on, next, please. Next. Okay, the concept.
I was very sleepy last night.
Okay. Okay. I guess all of your friends also feeling the same, yeah. And then Miss Debbie, she only slept 1 hour, yeah. But look at how fresh she is while joining her. That's okay. Next, the personal letter, social function. Okay, look at this one. If you try to put several kind of boxes in your set of document, I hope you're going to learn how to mix and match between all the boxes. Look at here, when we try to make this one like in a math term, okay? All of the color, they have some kind of meaning of it. Yeah. Okay, look at this one, the date and blah, 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 address, and then suddenly the right side reading here is become blue, and then over there here become yellow, and then next one here become purple. What was the point of it? Okay, and then look at the combination between the color. Yeah, what will be the combination over there? Look at that. So maybe you can use 2 major or 2 dominant color. Yeah, that will be better, I guess. Okay, Mr. Hildas?
Yeah.
Yeah, next, please. Okay, next. Okay, look at this one also. Wow. I have no idea. You can see the sentence clearly or not here, because when you try to make the font, the color of the font with the background of it, it should be contrast. Yeah, white, and then you try to make it here with this kind of color. I guess that's not match at all. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. It's difficult for us to read it, even if we have a clear kind of eyes, I guess. Yeah. Okay, next, please. Next,
Okay,
next. Okay, learning method, scientific learning, observing, questioning, associating, communicating, experimenting. It is a problem-based learning. So from the problem-based learning, as the learning model that you chose for this second set of your action plan, second set of your document. So have you already implemented all of this in TAG for the problem-based learning of it?
Yes.
Okay, have you put it, Mr. Hildas?
Sorry, sir. I
Huh?
have.
Okay, if you haven't put it, I hope you're gonna.
I think I had lack of idea last night.
Lack of idea, lack of sleep, lack of idea, and blah blah. Thank you. That's okay, sir. Yeah, that's okay. Yeah, and I want you to please.
It's too simple. I think it's.
Yeah. I want you to please try to consider in making, what is it, the revision of it. Try to make the step in a simple way, I guess, where you can conclude all of the step in problem-based learning. Okay, next, please, next. Okay, okay, I guess this will be okay. Next, next, please, next, next. Okay, next, next. Okay. Okay, the scoring, the learning media, look at this one. Okay, and we try to have a look at this one. Okay, to be honest, it's difficult for me to set what was the point of this media. Yeah. Okay, sorry, left. But thank you very much for trying. Yeah, next, please. Next. Okay, next, next. Okay, okay, look at the example. Look at the example. Okay, you're mentioning 36 North Road, Electra Street, Abu Dhabi, 27 July 2000. And then here you're sincerely Maria. So it is only taking from several kind of example. It will be better to give them with your own sentence, with your own example of the letter, because that will be more relevant. Yeah, without taking it from London, without taking it from Abu Dhabi, without taking it from some random kind of letter. Okay, Mr. Hildas.
Yeah.
Next.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Next. Okay. Oh, okay. Look at that one. I guess you are the one that telling us. You are one of the teacher that always integrating a sense of religion in every aspect of your teaching and learning. And then based on your opinion, what was this? Huh? Mr. Hildas?
Yeah.
Or you just take it randomly and then put it to your document?
Misunderstanding from my. So
okay.
Everything is a mess.
Okay, next, please.
I was in a rush last night.
Okay. Okay, thank you. That's okay to be the rush, but we're gonna focus. Yeah, I hope you're gonna stay focused. Okay, next. I guess that this is okay. Next, please. Okay, that's okay with this one. Next. Okay, and then this will be the student worksheet, scoring rubric. Okay. Okay, the formative test. Yep. Okay.
Yeah. No.
But again, when you try to ask your student to give the example or making the example, it should be based on the fact, real one. So what is it that they're still sending letters today? Yeah, it is with their, what is it? Parents, their mom, dad, or it is with their sister, brother. Yeah, that's why when we talk about personal letter today in 2022, I guess it's a little bit, what is it? Because To be honest, when was the last time that you conducted a letter, a personal letter, Mr. Hildas?
Yeah.
Hmm? When was the last time? Okay, all good. That's okay. That's okay. Next, please. Next.
Thank you.
Okay, next.
Thanks for your.
Okay, I guess that's all, Mr. Hildas, from me. And then one more thing. It is only the suggestion. You may take it and then you may revise it, or if you think this your best, that should be okay. Yeah, Mr. Hildas. Okay, let's give a round of applause, everyone, for Mr. Hildas for sharing his
Thank you, Mr.
second set
Sofyan.
of the document. Yeah, and then don't take it seriously. Yeah, don't,
It's okay.
yeah, don't take it seriously. All of the suggestion, all of the feedback. Yeah, the aim to make a proper one, a better one, compared to the previous first set of your document. That's the aim of it. Okay, Mr. Hildas, thank you very much.
I need more suggestion, more help.
Okay.
To set my
But one thing that you
better
really,
better.
yeah, one thing that you really need more here is a time, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, because you're going to upload it today, you have to submit it today. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. That's all I guess from me, Mr. Rusmi. Okay, Mr. Rusmi is turning up the camera. I guess that's all, everyone. Oh, Mr. Rusmi, come on. Maybe we can end our session of today, yeah? Because today here we got the longest, the longest session, I guess, yeah. It's near 12 o'clock. Come on, Mr. Rusmi, go back to you.
Okay, thank you very much. I think that's all for today, Bapak Ibu. Because it's a very long time. Thank you very much, Mr. Sofyan and from another participant, Bapak Ibu. I think that's all for me, Mr. Sofyan. So I wish let's close the meeting today.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you very much, Bapak Ibu. Just I think keep spirit, ya Bapak Ibu. Never give up because is it we have about a long time to about for meeting today. Or maybe from another participant, we will lead about from another time. We have another time, Mr. Sofyan.
Okay, I guess that's
mungkin
enough.
sudah cukup ya, waktu kita sudah cukup untuk RPP Bapak Ibu. Jangan lupa di upload ya, tetap upload ya, Mr. Sofyan ya. Silakan Bapak Ibu. We have about from suggestion or maybe about question from another participant. Terima kasih Bapak Ibu. I think that's all for today. That's for me. That's enough. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Massive thanks, Miss Rusmi. Okay, and then my concluding remarks for all of you. I do believe, I do what is it? I do appreciate all of your guys' trial, all of your guys' effort to make the second set of the document, and then I know it is not easy, it's difficult, it's difficult because you're going to make the revisions, you're going to put all of the suggestion, the feedback from the rest of your friend, and then also from Mr. Rusmi, and then also from me, but as I told you, I hope you're going to consume more vitamin with you guys, multivitamin. And then let's hope Miss Indri Pujilestari, she gonna get well soon, come back from the hospital. And then let's hope Miss Indri Pujilestari will be the last participant of this class that visit the hospital. Let's hope all of us here, we are going to have the strength, we are going to have the the integrations, and then also we are going to have the power to complete all the steps for the PPG Delta. And then tomorrow we are going to have a break, of course, Or you guys want to join more session tomorrow, celebrating Independent Day with us, with PPG Dajab class, Mr. Pipe?
In UMJ, sir.
Yeah, of course not, because tomorrow is a holiday, I guess, yeah, especially for all of the teachers and then all of the students, because tomorrow is 17th of August, the Independent Day. And thank you very much, yeah, Miss Endang Purnamasari. Look at the way that Miss Endang tries to learn many things, not only from the rest of you guys here, trying to contact in person to Miss Kartika, and then I hope Mr. February, you're gonna do the same, yeah. Try to open the discussion, try to call her, try to call Miss Endang, try to call Miss Kartika, try to call Miss Pevi, try to call the rest of your friend here, asking for the discussions. And then if they're not responding, if they're not taking the call, you gotta let me know, yeah. If they're not taking the call, you gotta let me know, and then sir, no cooperation at all, no collaboration at all from this student, blah blah. So I'm gonna give them that score. Yeah, okay, Mr. February, because the message, yeah, for the PPG Dajab 2021, yeah, it is the art of collaborations. Yeah, so we work together and then we can achieve our target together easily. Okay, guys, thank you very much, Miss Endang Purnamasari. One more time, Mr. Hildas, thank you. Miss Dwi Anasari, Miss Desvi, Mr. Chief of this class, Mr. B, Miss Helena, Miss April, Mr. February, Miss Feby, Miss Kartika, Miss Ila Holila. So she is not turning on the camera even a second, yeah. And then Miss Indri Puji Lestari, and then of course our senior respected teacher here, Miss Rusmi. That's all, guys. And then don't forget to recheck your learning management system. Try to check your guys' score. Try to check your guys' assignment, the tasks, and then every single things. Yeah, because after this, you're going to have the next step. Next step here based on your guys' performance on the previous one. Okay, thank you very much one more time, guys. See ya after tomorrow, ya. Jelas. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you very much, Sophia.
Thank you, Sir Sofian.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Sofian.
Thank you, Sir Sofian.
Thank you,
Thank you, Ma'am
Mister.
Rusmi.
Thank you,
Thanks, everyone.
You're welcome, Bapak
See you
Ibu.
all.
Okay, you guys may leave this meeting. Okay.
Saya lab ya, Pak.
Terima kasih, Ma'am Rusmi.
Oke, saya juga live ya, teman-teman. Saya live ya, teman-teman. Oke, see you. See you.
Gede banget itu, Bu. Saya suka ada dan seharusnya ada makanan yang ini di luar film.
Ma'am Herlina, iya udah pergi ya. Itu nama dia tak ada kan di PPL?